Popular entertainer Jahshii laid his brother to rest. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular dancehall entertainer Jahshii recently attended his late brother's funeral, Messiah, a sorrowful event that touched the hearts of many. The artist, known for his heartfelt songs and passionate performance, displays a different side of him as he grieved the loss of his beloved sibling. The funeral service was an emotional moment for Jahshii and his family as they gathered to pay their final respect and bid farewell to the cherished member. Jahshii managed to find solace in the support of his loved ones and the outpouring of condolences from his fans and the music community. In an Instagram post which included a photo, the entertainer captioned the emotional moment using a line from his musical friends Massacre and Popcorn hit collab entitled Pain, Pain in Every Language. Notably, Jahshii's father was also present at the funeral as he stood alongside the DJ and loved ones who showed their support. In a picture posted on social media, the Grandspend DJ can be seen using a rasta belt to hold up his arm, which seemed to be injured. Jahshii's presence at his brother's funeral was a testament to his character and his ability to navigate difficult moments gracefully. The artist's genuine display of grief demonstrated his authenticity and showcased a side of him that some fans have never seen before. Many fans and friends and members of the music fraternity showed up to pay their respect and offer condolences towards the artist and his family during this difficult time of mourning. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.